This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling mobile data on your phone and opening the hotspot or tethering menu. This gives the PC access. Plug the phone to the PC with a USB cable for the most stable result, or enable portable Wi-Fi hotspot if you prefer wireless. Make sure you have admin rights on the computer and that Bluetooth is paired if you plan PAN. Once done, confirm the phone shows connected devices or tethering active so the PC can detect the link. On your PC, open Network Settings and find the newly appeared adapter that represents your phone connection. You want the adapter set to obtain IP automatically, unless your carrier requires manual APN or proxy entries. Enter those if prompted. If sharing between adapters, enable internet connection sharing or adjust adapter priority so traffic routes through the mobile link. Make sure firewalls allow outbound connections for common ports. Once configured, the system should start sending traffic over the phone connection. Finalize by testing the connection. Open a browser, load a few websites, and run a simple speed check to confirm bandwidth. If performance is poor, switch to USB tethering for lower latency, reduce concurrent apps using mobile data, and make sure the phone screen stays on while tethered. If the PC cannot see the device, reinstall or update the phone's USB drivers and run a network adapter reset on the computer. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.